everyone, good evening. In just around 100 meters from where I am, this is the premises of the Bihar Assembly, is where the manifesto launch is happening. Tejaswi Yadav is going to address the gathering any moment now. On the manifesto of the Mahagathbandhan is the picture of Tejaswi Yadav. Remember when he began his day today and his day of campaigning, he said that this is Tejaswi's Pran Patra, that he is taking the pledge that he will ensure that these promises are fulfilled. Let me go straight to Rohit, who is joining us live from Patna, in fact, at the Maurya Hotel where this press conference is being held. Could the Mahagathbandhan have delayed this press conference by just 2 days? On 30th is when Rahul Gandhi will be campaigning in Bihar. Could they have done that? Perhaps, no, in fact, he's campaigning tomorrow onwards. Could they have launched this Mahagathbandhan manifesto tomorrow?
Well, if that would have happened, then it could have sent a very positive indications and very positive message also as far as the unity of the Mahagathbandhan is concerned, but that hasn't happened. In fact, Rahul Gandhi will be in Bihar tomorrow. He will be addressing a couple of rallies in Muzaffarpur and Darbhanga. But just a few hours before Rahul Gandhi will be in Bihar today, it's the launch of the manifesto of the Mahagathbandhan, which is called the Tejaswi Pran, which is right now underway at the Maurya Hotel in Patna. And what is very interesting is that all the big leaders of all the political parties are participating in this. Tejaswi Yadav is representing the RJD. You have Pawan Khera from the Congress who is there, Dipankar Bhattacharya from the CPI-ML, left leaders are there, Mukesh Sahni are there in attendance. So trying to showcase unity as far as the Mahagathbandhan is concerned, but very interesting to watch out for what is going to be the idea and what are the details that will be there in the manifesto, because remember, Tejaswi Yadav on his own has made several promises in the last fortnight or so, ranging from providing a job to each and every household, that is almost 2.5 crore households in Bihar, to giving 30,000 salary to Jivika Didi community mobilizers, to making to regularizing the services of those working on contract in Bihar. And there are other several schemes and promises that Tejaswi Yadav has declared. So all those, we believe, will be part of this joint manifesto, which is right now being launched in Patna. Back to you.
Yes, and the NDA will be launching its manifesto on 30th. So what is the big takeaway is going to be a likely what NDA will be promising. Remember, the NDA-led alliance of Nitish Kumar has, in the last few weeks, just ahead of the Model Code of Conduct which kicked in, had ensured disbursements of several lakh crores. This was for the Jivika Didis who benefited from the government schemes, and similar announcements have been made for the youths of Bihar as well. Let me bring in Aishwarya and get a sense of what is likely to be the big takeaway and who will launch the NDA manifesto on 30th. Aishwarya.
Well, you know, Maria, from what we are understanding, all the biggies of the BJP and of the entire NDA, Chirag Paswan, you will see him sitting there on the stage. Nitish Kumar, he will also be on the stage. Home Minister Amit Shah, he'll also be on the stage. Dharmendra Pradhan, the man who's in charge of the state of Bihar, he will also be there on the stage. Along with him, Vinod Tawre, someone who in fact has been camping in Bihar at least over the past 3 months. So all these people, along with Chirag Paswan, people from his team, his core team, all of them will be there. Upendra Kushwaha, he is also someone who will be sitting on the dais when the manifesto will be launched. The BJP believes, in fact, the entire NDA alliance believes that this time what they are fighting for is for Vikas, and they are also telling people, do not forget the jungle Raj. You also heard, Maria, when Home Minister Amit Shah during that rally spoke about the fact that there was a terror when we speak about the area of Siwan, and that terror is something that people have not forgotten. Also speaking about massive corruption that took place when the RJD was ruling almost for 15 years the state of Bihar. So the NDA very, very clearly telling the people that in case you do vote on that side, just remember those 15 years and remember what will happen if Tejasvi Yadav comes back to power. They'll be dragging Bihar back to the dark ages. So this is something that all the top leaders of the NDA have been
so